Hey everyone, welcome to this guided 5-minute meditation. The goal is to settle the mind, relieve anxiety, and just be within ourselves. We'll be using Ayurvedic Mudra. Your pinkies, have them to touch. Bend your ring finger, middle finger, and have them to touch just like this, and then have the index touch and the thumb, and gently press the fingertips and the knuckles and the thumb. Bring them closer to the chest and slowly start to exhale everything out. Now we're going to shift through everything through the nose. Preferably close the eyes, withdraw the senses. But if you prefer to keep the eyes open, you can stare at the tip of your nose. But for now, I'm gonna close my eyes and big inhale through the nose for 5, for 4, for 3, for 2. Gentle hold. Just acknowledge, simplify, and through the nose exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2. Gentle hold again. Make sure you empty the lungs. And through the nose, inhale. Lift the sternum. Allow the noise, the distractions. Hold at the top. Feel the air. Feel alive, yet calm. Through the nose, exhale. Now, repeat. See if you can focus on the breath. You might notice that it's a little bit challenging to keep the mind settled because it's the nature of the mind. Jump from idea to idea, emotions, thoughts. But the breath is one thing we can control. Like taming a wild beast. At first, you might be able to hold it for a couple rounds of breath. But the more we do it, just like everything else, practice. But even with practice, sometimes life gets in the way. And we tend to escape where we should allow ourselves to pause. Almost about halfway through. Now see if you can utilize the visualization of the mind. Start to feel right between the eyes, third eye center. See if you can notice a gentle light glowing up there as you inhale. And as you exhale through the nose, imagine that glow gently fading away, just like a flame. As you inhale, notice it growing. Slow exhale. Feel the light slowly dissipate into darkness. And as you inhale, gently notice the light coming in. Let that image sink in and come back into the breath. Now as you inhale, take a gentle mind, emotional, and mental scan. What are you feeling? And what are you thinking about? And as gently as you can, whatever it is, allow it to accept. Knowing that it is temporary, just like widening clouds, watching clouds pass by. The benefits of a quick, gentle meditation like this, especially in our crazy lives, midday, in the morning, or at night, whatever suits you. But it is unbelievably helpful to sit down with yourself. It's almost like a superpower in this fast moving world. Almost there. See if you can start to visualize that molecule of oxygen going to every cell of your body. Bring in life and vitality. Five rounds of breath. Make them count. Three rounds of breath. One breath in. And through the nose, exhale. Gentle press to extend that mudra with the palms, the fingertips, the knuckles. Next exhale, slowly release the palms down to the knees. Inhale, flash the eyes open. And open mouth, let it out. Welcome back. Take a couple rounds of breath here and just notice how it feels to be inside your body, allowing the waver the minds to gently see it. That was it. Thank you for meditating with me. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Allow the calm, the slowness to stay with you for as long as you can.